English version, class 5, mathematics, chapter 8, length measurement, number 4. Hafiz bought 4.5 kg of rice, 8 hectogram of vegetable, and 2400 grams of chicken from the market. How many kilograms did he buy in total? I already told this type of math you need to convert all unit. That's math 1. In this math, answer 1 in kilogram, so we need to convert them in all kilogram. Then we know that 10 hectogram equal to 1 kg and 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. Then we need to convert rice 4.5 kg, it's already in kg, and 8 hectogram of vegetable, that means 8 divided by 10 equal to 0.8 kg, and 2400 grams of chicken. That means if we divide it by 1000, that means 2.4 kg. Then he total bought 4.5 plus 0.8 plus 2.4 equal to 7.7 kg. Thank you.